model. The printer's platform now moves to the print head. The head will print a small stripe to clean and prep its head before it actually begins printing the support raft. After the raft printing is completed, the model and a support structure will begin to build on top of the raft. We're going to speed this video up so you can quickly see and enjoy the up printing action. Do note the printer's motion and quality as it builds this model. Here is the finished print. Time to remove it from the print plate, inspect it, and formulate a strategy to remove the support structure. Okay, let's do it. Removing the support structure needs to be done safely and carefully. In real time, this removal took about 25 minutes. Here you're going to see it in just a few seconds. Done. In this close-up shot, you can see the UP's .20mm printed layers compared to the sharp point of this pin. Okay, this is what we printed. Do you know what it is? It's the Impossible Cube 3D Optical Illusion. A real 3D print of a real 3D illusion. This entire UP 3D printing process took less than 4 hours. Stay tuned to Electric TV for more 3D printing tech and fun. Thanks for watching.